All right, so moving on, I want to discuss what we're going to need for today's lesson. First of all, you need to have your Friction is a Force reader book available because we're going to be reading chapter 2. You will need activity pages AP 5.1 and AP 5.2. I will put the electronic copies on Class Dojo like I have been doing the past few lessons, so those will be available for you. And you will also need an eraser, a pencil, some paper, a few sticky notes, 2 index cards, and the ability to get online, which you will obviously need as long as we're doing this online teaching. So that's what you need for today. Now let's go ahead and start our first lesson. This is a very simple lesson about friction, and it will teach you how opposing friction can cause different interactions and what that does. So I want you to take both your hands and put them together. Now, my hands feel warm, not very warm, but they feel warm. How do your hands feel? Are they warm, cold, in between? Okay, now take your hands and rub them together as fast as you can. Rub, 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 rub. Now how do they feel? They get very hot, don't they? They feel very hot. So after rubbing your hands together, what you're doing is you're creating friction. When one hand rubs against the other, friction occurs in between each hand. So when the friction opposes, that means we have friction going this way and friction going this way, and they're going against each other. That opposition, the way they oppose, creates heat. So this is the same way that cavemen made fire. They would grind a stick back and forth over and over again on another stick to create friction, and after long enough, that friction would create enough heat to actually spark a fire. So rubbing your hands together very fast and feeling how warm they get is a great example of friction. Easy example in real life.